When it comes to natural and nutrient-dense salt alternatives, Celtic sea salt is top tier. Celtic sea salt's rich source of 84 essential minerals and trace elements support various physiological functions. From magnesium to potassium, these nutrients play vital roles in promoting overall health and well-being. Adding Celtic sea salt to your food not only elevates your cooking by enhancing the taste and flavor of your dishes, but has alkalizing properties, helping the body to achieve pH balance, and also has the ability to stimulate saliva and gastric digestive secretions, aiding in breaking down carbohydrates into easily absorbable nutrients. This supports your digestive system, leading to reduced bloating and improved nutrient utilization. It also contains essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining proper fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. I hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for watching.